Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Microsoft Edge. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox, which generally include a processor from the past 10 years, at least 4 GB of RAM, and a modern graphics card. You will also need a stable internet connection, preferably with a download speed of at least 5 megabits per second, to ensure smooth gameplay without lag or interruptions. This initial setup is crucial for a great experience. Next, open Microsoft Edge and navigate directly to the official Roblox website. Once there, choose any game you wish to play and click the play button. If the Roblox player is not already installed, your browser will prompt you to download it automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation, which typically takes less than 1 minute to finish. This client is essential for running all Roblox experiences on your computer. After the Roblox player is successfully installed, return to the Roblox website in Microsoft Edge. Click the play button on your chosen game once more. Edge will now detect the installed player and automatically launch the game for you. You may see a small pop-up asking for permission to open the Roblox application. Always grant this permission. This seamless integration allows you to browse and play games directly from your Edge browser window. To optimize your Roblox experience, first check your in-game graphics settings. Lowering them can significantly improve performance, especially on older systems. Also, close any unnecessary tabs in Microsoft Edge and other background applications that might be consuming system resources. Regularly updating your graphics drivers to their latest versions, for example monthly, can provide substantial improvements in frame rates and overall game stability. These steps help reduce lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.